Alright, this next song is from Jason Mraz. It's called I'm Yours.
Fell right through the cracks, but I'm trying to get back. But the crew don't run out, and I'm giving it my best. There's nothing to do but back to that shit. To win some or learn some, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. This cannot wait. I'm yours, and no need to be afraid no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours.
Check this out.
If your mother only knew, if your mother only knew, if your yeah, if your mother only knew, if your mother only knew.
This song is a song.
It's really funny how there's some
It's mildly every time you see someone sing like even Elvis. Very much. Love me,
true. You never let me
Very much.
for my darling. I love you, and I always will.
Thank you guys. Bye bye.